In this Flying Start video, we're going to be looking at flashcards. Flashcards are an extremely useful way to revise. They are so commonly not used in the way they were designed, so hopefully this video will show you how to use them. Flashcards allow you to break information down into chunks to make it easier to remember. If you use them properly, then they visually let you see what you do and do not know. And they also let you streamline your revision so that you can use your time more effectively. So how do you use flashcards? I'm guessing that you use them to write information and just go through them all. Well, the point of cutting out flashcards is so that you can divide the information between the bits that you do know and the bits that you don't. Once you've attempted to learn a bunch of flashcards, you want to go through them, putting into one pile all of the ones that you got correct, and into another pile all of the ones that you got incorrect. You then try to learn just the incorrect ones, and then leave it again for a period of time. You then go back through only the incorrect ones, again dividing them up by whether you got them correct or not. Eventually, as you go through them, they'll all end up on the correct pile. Again, you want to leave them for a period of time, and then you're going to repeat the process until you can regularly go through the pile and get them correct each time. Try using the flashcard technique to learn the different circuit symbols here. You can go to revisingscience.com/revision, the link is in the description below, to get a downloadable version. In case you need the answers for what each of the symbols represents, you can pause the video here. Make sure you've learned what each of those symbols represents, but also how to draw them, so that you're ready for your test.